Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing this cutie here. This is oldie but goodie. It's called Alpha Woman, and it's by Sensationnel. It's a half wig. It says it's a textured half wig, and it's from the collection Curls, Kinks, and Company, and it says from 3B to 4C hair. So it's like yaki hair. And I have it in the color number 2 for glare. And I've had this for quite a while. So I'm going through my bag of wigs. Instead of buying more wigs, I'm going through my bag of wigs. This looks like Livia by, forgot, Outre. I think Livia by Outre, I believe. Okay, so this is she. I have it in the color number 2. Let me brush this, because this nape is kind of horrible. And it's a synthetic wig. Let me brush it. See, it's got texture to it, so it looks like black folk hair that's been like blow dried. My hair don't look like this, but it looks natural. Okay. This wig, let me show you the wig cap construction. Turn the inside out. Okay. It has a long comb at the top. So it's a half wig, so the comb's supposed to go about right there. It has this kind of wig cap, like an airy wig cap construction, and you can see the wefts are sewn on this. It has a long comb at the back, but not as long as the one at the front. 2 adjustable straps. And there's the tag. And that's all the combs it has in it. So let me put it on. Oh, I don't have my headband. I grabbed 2 headbands out the bag. This don't match no kind of way, but this would never match anything. But this is the one I'm leaning toward wearing. Y'all know me. This one will go with these funny paint splashes in this top. And I like headbands with that little knot right there, a little top knot. Like that. Will this fit on me? I think I'm gonna wear this. Try not to get makeup on this headband. It's light. Okay. Do I have bobby pins? Yeah, here they are. Pull this down. Oh, I got my own hair just combed back and braided, and the braid is tucked under. That's all I do to my hair. Okay, now I'm gonna pull this wig each side close to my ear and pin it with a long bobby pin. to secure it. think I got this wig from Amazon. That's where I get most of my wigs from. If you don't like them, you can send them right back. As opposed to going to a beauty supply store. You better not bring that wig back up in there. Gotta go back some. Pull my ears out. Okay. About 14 inches long, I guess. Okay, this don't feel. Okay, I'm pulling this back comb up under the headband in the back. Now it feels better. I should have had on a light top so you can see how this hair looks. The hair to the front. Thumbnail. Alpha Woman by Sensationnel. Okay, and it looks just like the picture. She got a part and she put some of her own hair, combed it into the wig. But my hair is silver, so I can't do that. And I wasn't doing that when my hair was all dark brown. Okay. Left side. Back. It goes right at that bra thing, right there. Turn around. Right side. It looks natural. Look at this. Looks really natural. So this is Alpha Woman by Sensationnel in the color number 2. It's a synthetic wig, half wig, with yaki textured hair. So if you got hair like this, you can comb some of your own hair out and blend it with this. Or just do what I do and put a headband on. Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.